Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is trust the process. You do not know how things are unfolding for you magnificently, right on time, to the T, perfectly. We just worry about putting in the work. We don't have to worry about how everything unfolds, how life is going to turn out. No, it's going to turn out great. You've won. You're making your impact. You've changed yourself. You'll upgrade to a new level. But trust the process. We do not know the path. We do not know the doorways. We do not know the tests. So every day, understand you're in the right place and you're always excelling. You're not moving backwards. You're always moving forward no matter what. Do not trick yourself into thinking that you're not moving forward. Time, that's out of our hands. Who knows when the time or new season comes and the light, it flickers from darkness to protruding light and sunshine, but it will happen in no time, unexpectedly. But it can't happen unless you continue to trust the process and move forward one day at a time, 1 second at a time, 1 minute at a time, however you do it. Just continue to move forward and make progress. I trust in life and my strength. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed there for my growth. Blessings come with their own weight. Continue to grow. Therefore, you'll be able to maintain more blessings. Definitely rain, sleet, or snow. It'll feel like a feather, not like a ball and chain. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.